And Boo Boo.
And we are back with another mukbang. Not just any mukbang.
What?
Today, we are having fried chicken, our dill pickle pasta salad that we made on another video. You can check that out if you didn't see it. That's right, guys. Dill pickle pasta salad. It's delicious. And we are having some Velveeta shells and cheese. That's what we're having. I also made a salad on the side. You can see it in the thumbnail. I can't really show you because there's too much over here going on. I've got my ranch on deck, of course. I've got our favorite red hot sweet chili sauce that we use in one of our sauces as well. We love this sauce. And we are drinking Kool-Aid, straight from the ghetto. When I was younger, this is what I grew up on. Kool-Aid. So, that's what we're having. Anyways, let's get it in. I'm hungry. I'm ready. So, give me a plate. And we'll get you some dill pickle pasta salad. I used rotinis with this. You can also use shells if you'd like. If you'd like, you can use some shells. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this stuff and then I'll get it out of the way so that you guys will be able to see our plates all while we eat. Okay? Let's put you some of that. Some of that. One more? No? Okay. So we'll set that to the side. Let me set this to the side. And then I'll bring over the salad. And let me get some of this. Our salad has cucumbers, black olives, cheddar cheese, and pepperoncinis in it. That is what I have for the salad. That is what I have for the salad. It's a nice little tall salad. Nothing spectacular. There you go. I'll set that over to the side as well. And I'll put this chicken here. And I'll put this chicken right there. And I'll move this. There we go. Easy peasy squeezy, right? Check out this plate. That's right. Check it out. Yes, yes. I'm going to use some ranch for my salad.
I've got honey French.
Boo Boo's using honey French. Honey French. Honey French. I don't think I've ever tried honey French. I'm just saying. I don't think I would like it though because I don't like honey. I don't like honey, guys. I don't. I really don't. No, I don't. I don't like honey. I don't. I just don't. Never did. I'm not really a sweet person. Let me just move this on up for you so you guys can get a better view. But yeah, I'm not a really sweet. I don't like honey. I really don't care for syrupy things like pancakes or waffles. I'll eat them on occasion, like once a year, if that. But generally, I do not eat those types of things. Boo Boo here loves it. He loves honey. He loves syrup. Of course he loves honey. He's a Boo Boo bear. Just kidding, guys. But we're really excited because we're going to be going on vacation next week. So we're going to have fun in the sun. Okay? Fun in the sun. I can't wait. It snowed here last night. We had almost like 2 to 3 inches of snow, and then the sun came out and dried up all the rain, and it melted today. It already melted. So it's gone. No more snow, thank goodness. Because, you know, it's April. What are we doing with snow? Like, come on.
Did you already try this?
Yes, I did try it when I was making it, and it was perfect. Just like I generally make it all the time. It was very good. You have some of this?
Wait till I make room.
I'll just set it over there. You can get it when you need it. Okay. Yummy, yummy Kool-Aid. Boy, that brings back memories. I don't think I've had Kool-Aid like literally in adulthood for a very, very, very long time. So, all right. Who wants the first bite? You want some mac and cheese? Oh, don't pull mac and cheese. Wow. There you go.
I'm wearing it.
And for those of you that watched my last video, my in the kitchen video, where I was preparing the dill pickle pasta salad, if you've never had it before, try it out. I make it for my family all the time. They love it. But every time you make it, it kind of, I want to say it tastes differently, because depending on how much you add of each thing, it can get a different taste. So I actually did add extra pickle juice to it after I was finished filming. I think I said that in the premiere as well. But that was because I didn't think it was wet enough. So I needed to put a little more of the liquid. Who wants the first bite of this dill pickle pasta salad? Come on, guys. There you go. I love it. And it doesn't taste like your normal pasta salads. The dill gives it that dill flavor. The cheese gives it that yum, because I love cheese. But the garnish of the pickles gives it that crunch. Absolutely amazing. Chicken. Nice and crunchy.
Everything is really good.
Thank you, thank you. Really, really good, guys. I like to pull off all of the breading and eat the skin first. I apologize if I'm not talking very much today. I'm very hungry. But how is everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all doing swell. By the time you guys see this video, it might be Thursday or Friday. I'm not sure. I am pre-recording a couple videos because I'm going to have a lot set up as premieres, so that when we are on vacation, we will still be dropping content for you guys, as well as live vlogs. We are going to be live vlogging too as well. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit the bell notifications if you don't already, so that you're notified every single time we upload a new video or go live. And I like this because it's not too wet. It's like a drier. Dressing on it, if you know what I mean. Because the mayonnaise and the sour cream kind of just like, you know what I mean? It's not like a wet, like a ranch or something like that. I've got a lot of recipes in store for you guys this week for Dill Pickle Week. Boo-Boo's over here losing all his food.
Like normal.
You guys know that. Also, I'm going to take suggestions on our community tab. What would you like the next theme to be? Since this is Dill Pickle Week. For the next week, what would you like to see? Comment down below and let us know. And we will try to pick from one of those rather than do our own theme. Love this sweet chili sauce that we introduced to you guys when it first came out. I swear, I think we're like the very first channel to introduce this. Like as soon as it came out, we had it. And we put it in one of our sauces too that we make. It's really, really good. It makes our butter sauce like so much better. We're still working on getting our sauce up and running to actually be moving towards production at some point where I don't have to like make and fill orders ourselves. I'm just being honest. We could not handle that type of production right now because I don't have time to be like making it and doing it all myself. This is a fun little mix here that we have. I wanted a regular salad because I've been really wanting a salad. But then I had made the dill pickle pasta salad and I was like, well, that's okay. We can have both. Can't go wrong with two salads.
Nope. Hope everybody's excited about us when we go to our vacation, we're gonna see places and stuff.
Yeah, when we go on our vacation, we're gonna see some places and stuff. So we're gonna be vlogging that. I hope you guys enjoy that. We are gonna, however, enjoy ourselves too. So we're not gonna try to record the entire trip. I'm full already. I've got this whole plate of food. I swear, when you're cooking and you're getting everything ready, you get so full. I'm not gonna keep eating though. If I'm full, I'm full. I'll eat that later. Maybe if I get hungry later on, I'll pick at it or whatever. I don't want to waste food, but I'm full. So, are you done or no?
I'm done.
You're full too?
Yeah, not really. I'm hungry, but I guess it's because I don't eat as much as I used to. When I start eating it,
That's what I said. I eat half the plate and I'm already full. And I get so mad because I literally, I gotta have one of these peppers. I love them pepperoncinis. But you look forward to eating all this delicious food and then you just get full so fast. I'm telling you. However, anyways, thank you all for watching this delicious meal, and we will see you in our next video. Stay blessed, not stressed. Bye, guys.
Peace out.